It's me, Mario!
Hello guys, we are the
Bytecode.
and I'm the leader of this group. My name is Emmanuel Dimisola.
My name is Jemani Sean Gabriel Pentingue.
My name is Jared Domnes.
And my name is Raji and Declaro.
And
Let's
let's
do
do
Arduino 101.
Hello everyone, this is our Arduino project number 12, which is the RGB light dimmer. So how it works is we're going to control the brightness and color of an RGB LED using 3 potentiometers. Each potentiometer adjusts one color, channel red, green, or blue by sending analog signals to the Arduino. The LED is connected to the digital PWM pins, the potentiometers to analog pins. So here we have the materials. So here we have the DF Arduino Uno R3. These are compact microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328B, compatible with the Arduino IDE. It features color-coded headers for easy sensor connections and support digital and analog inputs, making it perfect in learning, prototyping, and development. Here we have the prototype shield. It is a Arduino prototyping involves using an Arduino board, sensors, actuators, and code to create a functional mock-up of a device or a system. Next, here we have jumper cables, male to male. They are essential wires used in electronics to connect components on a breadboard or between modules. Male to male jumper cables are flexible wires with male connectors on both ends used to link electronic components during prototyping and circuit testing. Here we have the 5mm RGB LED. So it is a special LED that has 3 colors inside one bulb, which is red, green, and blue. By controlling each color with the Arduino using digital or PWM pins, you can mix the colors to create almost any color of light. Next, we have 10K potentiometer. It is a variable resistor that lets you adjust resistance by turning its knob. When connected to an Arduino Uno, it usually acts as an input device. The Arduino reads the changing resistance through the middle pin as a varying voltage on an analog pin, A0 to A5. This lets you control the things like brightness, motor speed, or menu selection by simply turning the knob. And next we have the 220R ohms resistor. It is a safety component that controls the flow of electricity current in Arduino projects, especially for LEDs.
Hello everyone, so this is the AP12, which is the RGB light dimmer. So first, we're going to declare the LED fin. So red, green, blue. So 9, 10, 11. So this is the LED which is connected to the digital pin 9, 10, 11. Then same goes for the potentiometer from the red, green, and blue channel, which is the analog pin 0, 1, and 2, which is here. Then inside the setup, we're just going to set the red pin and green pin and blue pin as an output here. Then we're just going to start a serial communication by 9600. Then after that, inside the void loop here, we're just going to read the analog values from each potentiometer that we created. So inside that, we're just going to use the analog read, which is the 0, 1, 2. For the red, we're going to set that for the potentiometer red pin, and the green, we're just going to set that for the potentiometer green pin, and the blue is the potentiometer blue pin. So we're just going to read the analog values from each potentiometer. Then after that, we're just going to map the analog values or that we got here. So value 1, value 2, value 3. But here, we're just going to declare this as red, blue, red, green, blue. So between 0 and to 1023 is the raw data that we got from the potentiometer. We're just going to range that to 0 to 255. Same goes for the green and blue. Then inside that, we're just going to print the RGB values to the serial monitor for debugging, or what are the values that we see or the potentiometer do in the RGB values. Here. So red, green, blue by using the ball 1, ball 2, and ball 3. So inside the another thing is the function. So set RGB light brightness using the map values that we got from the analog read, and then mapping that into our ball 1, ball 2, ball 3. So inside the color RGB function is that we got the parameters or arguments int red, int green, and int blue. So this is the values that we write for the RGB values to lit up the LED pins on the RGB LED. So using analog write, we're just assigning the red pin based on the value that we got from the red or value 1. Then same goes from the green, same goes for the blue. So that's how the RGB is light up or lit up depending the values that we got from the potentiometer, and that's it. So that's the whole code of the AP12 works.